Let me be brutally honest here. You can still make impactful videos even with zero budget. And I'm not telling you to go out and hack together a DIY project. You can get quality, professional videos even if your organization has zero budget. How? Start with the end. You need to know how a video is going to impact your organization. Videos almost always have a positive ROI, return on investment, meaning that they bring more value than they cost. In fact, almost 90% of marketers say that the results were greater than their investment. One of our clients made 100 times the cost of their professional production. So define your goal, write out in black and white numbers what that will do for your organization. Now you can get the board or even a private donor to set aside funds for that investment. And now your group can make quality, impactful videos and reap those results, even though you had zero budget. Like and subscribe to get more mission-driven marketing tips, and let us help you to grow with video.